Mama wakwaba wafreme ajowa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Sofo Adom Kyei ena afenso Apostle Agyanim boaten e de ensem bia todwa. Na Sofo Adom Kyei ne de na woka no o kire se leader bia ope atemdidi leader bia obi na no na o kan sem bia no enya de Yakopon nani age ho nti ono Sofo Adom Kyei ne de ukra members pa ti leader bia waye wadwen se wase wa no atemdidi nkwa na obedi no o mana ne members ento aba emfa ema ena fenso owura Agyanim nso e kire se eye honorable Kennedy akompre kwa Japan no penasem no respect ni papa na afa ye COVID-19 ni mo no honorable ebetena TV so e cassette a sorry a o kire se so your president a can sorry organ na wagu no say nsem na honorable kan ntinya de openasem and they want so betena TV so e kan semeti asofo na de ade a one man churches ko begu no and no be kan nsem say one man churches na do begu no and they say o president na sa na himfo ne ba beto aba ento aba en fema ura Agyanim e kire se NPP fo omu hope eye vice president Dr. Bawumia no mo yo mo adwen se omo de honorable Kennedy akompre kwa Japan na ebade a 38% imponya de ombenya 2024 ebusanfo meka senche ne tie nsema omo de etuja
from saying Apostle Adom Kyei on yemfa video nemra na our message for NPP4 yemfa the message nemra
say dia o wa sam kaka party dia o wa sam kaka atemdidie ba medical Philadelphia this year obi odi atemonto abama no na amfense ramba mine montie me yes obi odi atam nyame ni nafa Ghana befa nentama perfia amen montie me yes bibia besesa monim ne enti a wo cho manemu enaya ma memiensa aha ewa adwuma wa hye me se me ye that's right no my Ghana emfa nentama perfia eni atranton ni pebia eni ho nyame
that's bre say eni atranton ni bia ni nyamo nyankopon
eni atranton
bible cramp aka osofo ne ba ko Apostle Agyanim boaten or one of the popular radio preachers or Juma Kasapa or no Kesben. I think say we movie called one of the stations. And also have a message for NPP delegate AY3KA and pay. Asante Patrienfa Apostle Agyanim boaten.
Ebra COVID buy my men come na menwe. COVID buy ya. A man that I respect so much. Me bunichen any other honorable in Ghana. Ye castle obi a honorable me respect ni chom Kennedy Japan me bunichen any other man of God, but when COVID came this same man rose up against the church thinking that ogu church in anymore and he had the audacity to say ono na ya president and go begu one man churches in Ghana and that the same man he had the church vote. Oh kasa ya ye careful. I am telling you, the only hope the only hope of NPP Bawumia. Sanya that man now, the party will lose more than 38% and then the same man that rose up against the church. And Ghana is a Christian country, and this man rose up single-handedly against the church. To be seen on yes of Roman Methodist Pentecost Pentecost. And then the same man need the same people vote. One said in Ametia, I am not somebody that is afraid of the truth. I came with a word of caution. So be about passing for years of here. Eli was a just man, a very sincere man. But ni mama ana suffer the any class where you say suffer the any class where you say suffer any power. Without the microphone, they are normal people. With the microphone, they are spirit. Obi oni me bia ni me say, ninkura microphone, I cannot even talk. Minim say kasa. But when I hold the microphone, anything I talk can happen. I came to tell you that you may not know what you are doing today. It will affect your future tomorrow. The same man that said you obegun sorry no, and obey here a sorry from a vote. A two visa a sorry in yada. Yametomane egu Ghana and sorry. In as much as there are bad people and bad pastors, there are equally good pastors. Be very careful what you say today, because it can be used against you tomorrow. Some of us, we are not politicized, but when it comes to the work of God, when you attack the church, we will attack you. I came with a word of caution. If NPP wants to retain power, they must be very careful. I am not politicized, but I'm telling you, you cannot rise up against the church of God and survive. You can't.
Na umunyina ba kon e kasafa na kan Japan authority and sorry so be good sorry wo Ghana na ba kon so kasaba atembidi and you see Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Crawford sorry say onye Christo ni no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia relationship with the church na compare with a honorable kan Japan relationship with the church. Let's see someone church is not echo. That's why finally no we and the Jancrofo be Samuel will say and the God don't need studio ha na.
But say unim the entire why do you know? Ebra na ye unsensem no mienu bai. Aland ye no mi jama no. And I'm my faba. Okay,
I see.
Ya tell one ti mama na
Omampani Akufo-Addo aka sembi. As someone Mampane Akufo-Addo can NPP delegate Muntieni very instructive. Or say
your name is Canada. Okay. Good. Your friend is Samuel. Person contributed to the program. Please go ahead, sir.
Yes. First of all, me sure so be a catch on about Canada. Say on fana into on support side. Ubianka Sancho a competition. Ubianka in a campaign. An internal election. The expectation is that Obia de Nukwedi any about trebe campaign. Near ye power be the NPP and Obia soon to me can't tell me say na fail because a real thing in our I live in UK, or Canada. Be a say election likely say president and our prime minister or Nobel election. This year and next year and the previous year.
Yeah, because there's hardship everywhere.
Because
the world economy has changed. Yeah.
Yes, the economic architecture of the world and everything has been affected. There's going to be a reset. Everything is changing. Ghanaians intimacy. Say, Obiso Bay leader, the question we have to ask is what is leadership all about? It's about solving problems. Ghana, your problem, and I see any problem. Your problems. Your problem, one your health or your fit for purpose, so which may solve your problems. The problem, most of the people, almost Mahama and Crawford, leadership position, they don't even want to admit that Ghana has a problem. All they do every day is about complaining, about the problem. We all know that we have a problem. The question is, what are the solutions? The solution, Bawumia, has been spearheading. That address system, Kekama, Kreto, Ghana, any national identification has solved a lot of Ghanaian problems. And Unkwa has created a lot of employment. People don't talk about it. Look at the courier services. Ghana Post, any Numa creative, Uber, any boat. The address system, national identification system, all those things will not work. So you put structures in place. I bet me I've built the economy.
Samuel. Thank you.
Yet, okay.
Medas Minu, I know Bill Frosson can be. Yeah, hello.
Okay, the person may your contribution to your program. You're doing a good job. Why are the program near Kama? Nobody is telling Kennedy Japan to resign. Why is that feeling of grandeur? I didn't know what that feeling they say. Why is nobody saying that Bawumia is rather being told to resign? So I didn't know why it's Bawumia position. Now Kennedy Japan is desperate for the position. Nobody is fucking telling for cursing, but nobody is telling Kennedy Japan to resign. I grew on the phone. November is just at the corner. What is he scared of?
Yes.
Why